Hacking Windows using Metasploit. Here I have a Kali Linux operating system and it is connected with local area network, and in same local area network I have one PC. It has a Windows 8 operating system. Think someone sent mail to you, and in that mail there is a malicious link, and it is convincing you to click on it, and you click on that link, and that link asking you to download some program, some files from it, and you just download it and you just run it, and after few days your system not working fine, your machines working like a victim machine, like malicious machine, like virus infected machine. So what happened with your PC? So here I will show you how we can send Trojan virus to the remote target machine, and how we can take control over the system. So here I have Kali Linux box, and in this Kali Linux box we will use Metasploit to take control over this PC, and these PCs user will run Trojan, and their Trojan will establish reverse connection to the Kali Linux operating system, and Kali Linux operating system can take control over this victim PC. So let's begin. First open terminal in Kali Linux operating system. Let me maximize it. First check IP address of Kali Linux operating system, and it has 192.168.159.223. Use Ctrl Shift plus T to open another terminal. First start PostgreSQL in Kali Linux operating system. I've already started Metasploit, but if you have Metasploit stopped, you can run this command to start it. Then use MSF console. It will take some time. Let me open another tab and create Trojan virus using MSF Venom utility. Windows meterpreter reverse TCP localhost IP address, and IP address is and define local port also 5544, and use -f switch to define file type. Where do you want to generate this Trojan virus? With the name of crack.exe in desktop folder. Here you can see Metasploit already loaded. Now just use it will take some times. Use exploit multi handler. Then define IP address for localhost. If you don't know how to define IP address of local host, use show option command. It will give you detail to define IP address of the target or local host. There is no any option, just use set lhost 192.168.159.223. Localhost already set. Now use local port. Local port is 5544. 5544, and then just use exploit command. Here you can see in desktop crack.exe already generated. Now we just need to start Apache service also if it is already stopped. Reverse TCP handler already started with the 5544 port. Now just copy crack.exe to the where www share. There is no any share folder I have created, so let me create share folder first to the where www and share, and then use cp command. So this command will create first share folder and then copy this file to the share folder. You can see using ls command share folder is created and under share crack.exe is already available. So now we need to go to the Windows 8 operating system and open Internet Explorer. Now just define IP address of the remote machine 223. Just define IP address of the Kali Linux. Here you can see Apache is working fine. We need to access share folder. The share folder is accessible and there is a crack.exe file. Just click on it and click on run. Smart screen is protecting. Just click on run anyway and switch to the Kali box, and now you can see session is created. You can just see using sessions command, but sessions already take over by meterpreter and session 1 is handled, so we don't need to use session command. Just use pwd. Here you can see I am on remote machine at C drive. In C drive users folder, hack user and desktop folder. You can ls, it will list remote machine directory. Just go to the CD C drive of the remote machine and just list it. I'm not able to cd to the C drive, so just use cd dot dot cd dot dot, and now I am on users folder. Again we just need to use cd dot dot command, and now I am on C drive. Here you can see lots of files available in C drive. If you need to go into users folder, just list it. It will list users folder of the remote machine. Go to the hack user. Now I am on hack user's home directory and use cd downloads and list it. Here you can see there is a files available like snscan and backdoor.exe. If you want to download it, just use download command, scan.exe. File has been downloaded. Just go to the home folder of Kali Linux. Here you can see scan.exe is downloaded. Let me delete it and try it again. Here you can see file has been created, snscan.exe. So it is very interesting. Now if you need to take shell of the remote machine, use shell command. It will give you shell of remote machine. Here you can see I am on C drive. If you want to exit from shell, use exit command. It will return to you on meterpreter. If remote machine have users and you want to take user ID information, use get uid command. It will give you user information. If you want to take all control over the machine, use get privs. It will give you all privileges of remote machine. Now if you want to take help, just use question mark. It will give you help of the meterpreter shell. Here you can see timestamp available. Now let me ls. There is a file snscan.exe and my important file.txt.txt. If you want to read it, use my important underscore file.txt.txt. It will give you information about file, and there is information my password is this. And if you want to check timestamp information, use timestamp -v and define file name. Just copy it and paste it. It will give you information about modified, accessed, created. So sometimes you access the files by hacking into the system, and owner users can access hint by modified date, access date and created date. So if you want to revert as it is, so you can change timestamp information. Just use timestamp command and define file name, and file name is my important file.txt, and just use -m for modified time. And if you want to define time like date 7 month 7 or date 15th 2018, and if you want to set time information also, so you can give it time information. So now specific make attribute on my important file is setting. So you can see using timestamp command, and here you can see modify time has been changed. Same if you want to change access the date, use -a. Now if you want to change created date, use C option. And if you want to change entry modified date, use E option. And again timestamp can be, and my important file you can see every attribute has been changed. If you want to check IP address of the remote machine, use ifconfig command. It will give you IP address information of the remote machine. Here you can see remote machine IP address is 243. If you want to check process information of the remote machine, use ps command. It will give you complete process information about remote machine with the PID informations. Sometimes give architecture information, session information, users information also available. So use question mark to get help. If you want to take control over the system, use get system command. Get system. This session is not able to take control over the system using get system command. If you want to take snapshot using web camera of remote machine, just use webcam_snap command. If you want to take screenshot of the remote machine, use screenshot command. It will save image to this location. Just go to the home folder, and here you can see screenshot of the remote machine. Here Windows 8 you can see. Just close it. Here you can see keyscan start command. Let me use keyscan start. Keyscan start. Keyscan start has been started. Now just you need to open Notepad and think you have opened some website, and just like you opened facebook.com, and try to log in into the facebook.com. My internet is slow, I think. Just you use the xyz@gmail.com and give password like 123 something something and click on login. Now just use keyscan_dump command. It will give you information about the remote machine's key stack. You can check using keyscan dump command. So I type the notepad, type the facebook.com, fb.com, give xyz@gmail.com, give password information also. See, it's amazing. Now if you want to check idle time of the remote machine, Just use idle time command. You can see idle time information of the remote machine. Here lots of help available, like if you want to reboot machine, use reboot. If you want to check system information of the machine, just use sysinfo command. To get remote machines information, architecture information, workgroup information, operating system information, and computer name information. You can also kill background process on remote machine using bgkill command. If you want to run something on remote machine, if you want to switch to the another session, you can use session command. So now let's reboot the target machine using reboot command. Just use reboot. You can see remote machine has been rebooted. So hope you understand how we can hack Windows machine using Metasploit and how we can take control over the machine by just launching Trojan over the remote machine. Thank you for watching this video.